What's going on, guys? David with another Raceland tech tip. Today's going to be more of a product spotlight and feature, but we are going to go over some of the technicals of our exhaust cutouts that we offer. Now, for our exhaust cutout options, we do offer a 2.5 and a 3-inch size cutout. These are going to require some modification to get them installed on your vehicle, so keep that in mind. Now, the main cutout portion is going to be what's going to need the modification. You're obviously going to have to cut and weld this into place wherever in the system you'd like it. We've got a lot of guys that do it before mufflers or that have off-road vehicles primarily that do it before catalytic converters. Now, the few features that we have about this, we do have raised lip on the inside with that flap to reduce any type of exhaust leak. And we've also made it with this larger lip. So for this 3-inch exhaust, this will simply slide onto your factory exhaust, making it much easier to weld it to the vehicle. Now, also included is the wiring harness. This is going to be heat resistant, so obviously it does have to get routed outside the vehicle. There's going to be no concern with elements in heat of this deteriorating over time. You get the exhaust cutout control box and then 2 wireless remotes. Now, the wiring is going to have 3 connections. One of these connections is going to connect to the cutout itself. The other is going to connect to the wireless module, and then the third connection goes to your traditional vehicle auxiliary power. Now, you can snip this off and have this wired to a constant power source. If you are going to do that, we do recommend running an inline fuse, as this system will have that already integrated. Not running it with a fuse will obviously void the warranty. And then the 2 remotes allow you to open or close the exhaust valve. It'll transmit signal to the wireless control box, and then that will open and close the cutout itself. So if you guys have any questions regarding the cutouts that we offer, send us an email, give us a call. We'd be happy to help.